Promote the website on Google's first page. Promoting a website to reach the first page of Google requires a multifaceted approach that involves both on-page and off-page optimization. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest to identify relevant keywords for your business. Look for keywords with a good balance of search volume and competition. On-page SEO. Optimize meta tags, title tags, meta descriptions, with target keywords. Use headers, H1, H2, H3, to structure content and include keywords naturally. Create a compelling and keyword-rich URL structure. Optimize image alt text. Include internal links to other relevant pages on your website. Content quality. Develop high-quality, valuable, and relevant content for your target audience. Regularly update and refresh your content to show Google that it's current and valuable. Use multimedia elements like images, videos, and infographics. Backlink building. Focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks from reputable websites in your industry. Guest posting, influencer outreach, and partnerships can help build backlinks. Monitor and disavow toxic or spammy backlinks. User experience and engagement. Ensure your website is user-friendly and has a clean design. Improve page load speed to enhance user experience. Encourage user engagement through comments, social shares, and longer time spent on your site. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website is responsive and mobile-friendly. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites, and this is crucial for user experience. Social media integration. Share your content on social media platforms. Build a presence on platforms relevant to your audience. Encourage social sharing of your content. Local SEO. If your business has a physical location, optimize for local searches. Create and optimize your Google My Business profile. Get positive reviews on platforms like Google and Yelp. Technical SEO. Fix any crawl errors or broken links. Create and submit a sitemap to Google. Ensure your website is secure. HTTPS. Optimize for site speed. Analytics and monitoring. Use tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and other SEO tools to monitor your website's performance. Track keyword rankings and adjust your strategy based on the data. Adapt and evolve. Stay updated on changes to Google's algorithms and adapt your strategy accordingly. Test and iterate on your SEO strategy based on performance data. Remember, achieving a high ranking on Google is a gradual process, and consistent efforts over time are key to success. Regularly update your content. Stay informed about SEO best practices, and be patient as you work towards reaching the first page.